Good morning everyone. In yesterday video, we have learned about a plane shapes. Today we are going to start the next topic, solid shapes. Solid shapes. See here. We will see one by one. Okay. First, cube. Cube. Okay. This is the cube. This is the figure of cube. You know cube, a dice. Dice. You see? Can you see dice? Yes. This is the cube. Cube is a solid shape. Okay. This is the vertex of solid shape. This is the vertex of solid shape, and this is the face. This is the face. Okay. This is the face. Is a flat surface of object is the face, and this is edges. An edge where the two sides of object are meet. Okay, meet. यहाँ पे ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट की साइड है ये यहाँ पे मिल रही है, तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं? एजेस. ये क्या है? एजेस. ओके, दिस इज एजेस ऑफ अ क्यूब. ओके, इट हैज अ 6 फेसेस ऑफ अ क्यूब. इट हैज 6 फेसेस. ये 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, 6 faces of a cube. It has 8 vertices. It has 8 vertices. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, it has 8 vertices. Okay, it has 12 edges. Edges कितने हैं क्यूब को? 12 edges. Okay.
Look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cube. The die with which you play is a cube. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces.
So next, cuboid. Okay, this is the cuboid. Okay, this is the cuboid. Book has a cuboid shape or cuboid. Okay, bricks. You know bricks. Brick has a cuboid. Okay, brick is a cuboid shape or brick has a cuboid. Okay. Also, this is cuboid is a solid shape. Cuboid is a solid shape. So it has 8 vertices. It has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. Edges means an edges where the two sides meet object. Okay, two sides of objects meet. Okay, यहाँ पे जो two sides यहाँ पे मिलती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Edges. Okay, and this is the plane shapes. क्यूबॉइड के ये 6 फेसेस होते हैं और ये फ्लैट फेसेस is a plane shape or face. Okay, this is the 6 faces of a cuboid. Okay, this is the कितने vertices होते हैं? 8 vertices of a cuboid. Okay,
Look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges. The point where 3 edges meet is called a vertex. A cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 6 faces. In the given figure, 3 faces are visible and 3 are hidden. Count the faces of your book. It has 6 faces. 1 front face, 1 back face, 1 top face, 1 bottom face, and 2 side faces.
so next, cone. This is a cone shape. This is cone shape. What is the example of cone? Ice cream cone and a birthday cat. You know birthday cat. This is the cone shape. It has a cone shape. Okay. A cone has only one curved surface. A cone has curved surface and it has one flat surface. This is the flat surface of cone. This is the flat surface of cone. Okay?
All these objects have the shape of a cone. A cone has one vertex and it has one curved edge. It has two faces, one curved face and one flat face.
Next, sphere. This is a sphere. This is a sphere. Okay? What is the example of sphere? A ball or football or a globe. This is it has a sphere shape. Okay? This is sphere. It has only one curve shape. It has only one curve shape. इसका shape कैसा होता है? Curve shape. It has no edges, no vertices. Okay? It has no faces. Okay? This is the curve shape. Okay? Next, this is cylinder. This is cylinder. Okay? It has a two flat surface. It has a two flat surface. This is one flat surface and this is two flat surface and one curved surface. This is a curved surface. Okay? This is the cylinder. What is the example of cylinder? LPG cylinder. You know LPG cylinder? This is the example of cylinder. Okay? So next.
Children, now take a look at the shapes of the objects shown here. Each one of these objects has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has one curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. In all the objects shown here in our daily life, all these objects have the shape of a cylinder. A cylinder has no vertices. It has two curved edges and three faces. One face of a cylinder is a curved face. Two faces, that is the top and bottom of a cylinder, are flat.
Next, relation between 2D and 3D shapes. 2D means two-dimensional and 3D means three-dimensional. Okay? This is square. ये क्या है? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Square is a two-dimensional space. Two-dimensional space. Okay? Sorry. Square is a two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional. Square क्या है? Two-dimensional है. And this is 3D shape. 3D shape. This is cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. This is 3D shapes. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Three-dimensional. Okay? Cube is a three-dimensional and square is a two-dimensional. Okay? And also rectangle. Rectangle is a two-dimensional. Okay? And cuboid is a three-dimensional. Cuboid कैसा है? Cuboid is a three-dimensional. Okay?
Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or a 2D shape. Square. A square has four sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has four vertices. Rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has four vertices. Triangle. A triangle has three sides. It has three vertices or corners. Circle. A circle has no vertex. it is a closed loop. It can be traced with a 1 rupee coin, carom coins, etc. Children, now let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have 3 measurements: length, breadth, and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Solids have faces, edges, and vertices.
So students, hope you all understand today's topic. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.